Hello little learners and explorers, welcome back to our next video. Today we are going to make some yummy pizza. Yummy. Doesn't it look beautiful, colorful? We are going to learn some colors, some shapes. So let's go ahead and begin making pizza. Yeah, you all ready with me? Let's make it. A triangle in shape. Each slice of pizza we get is in triangle shape. It has a pan here. There's a circle. Say with me, circle. Let's go ahead and make some pizza on the circular pan. Arrange this. Cube is also a shape and it's a square. These go in the cup with soda, cold water. Some pepperoni, which is protein option. Look at that, how delicious it looks. Now we have cutter to cut this pizza. You can slice it. Slice that. Let's do it. Square shape. Yum, yummy. I hope you enjoyed the video. You liked the sensory part of it. Hope you eat your daily vegetables and fruits and stay healthy and strong. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel and the videos. Thank you.